This $100,000 Japanese camper is smarter than you might expect. It almost sounds too good to be true. Real motorhome comfort, smart design, and a touch of luxury, all packed into a vehicle small enough to drive just about anywhere. That's exactly what the Toyota Liberty 52 SPI is trying to deliver. Built in Japan with incredible attention to detail, this camper shows just how capable a compact, Class C motorhome can really be. From the outside, the Toyota Liberty 52 SPI immediately feels different. This camper focuses on a more practical approach, compact, efficient, and built for real travel. Measuring just 5.23 meters long, 2.07 meters wide, and 2.88 meters tall, it sits in a perfect size range that makes driving much easier. It makes parking in cities, navigating narrow roads, or stopping at tight fuel stations far less stressful. Compared to the massive Class C motorhomes often seen in the United States, the Liberty 52 SPI offers a much more manageable footprint. It's built on the Toyota Camroad chassis, a platform designed specifically for motorhomes, helping the camper stay stable and balanced even when fully loaded with passengers, water, and travel gear. Power comes from a Toyota turbo diesel engine, known for its reliability and long-lasting performance. This camper isn't built for speed or quick acceleration. It's designed for smooth, efficient travel over long distances. Diesel engines are especially popular in RVs because they deliver strong pulling power, which helps the vehicle move easily even when climbing hills or driving through mountain roads. Another big advantage is fuel economy. The Liberty 52 SPI gets about 20 to 25 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a fully loaded motorhome. That kind of efficiency makes long trips easier and more affordable. The exterior of the Toyota Liberty 52 SPI is both practical and stylish. A smooth fiberglass panels give it a modern look and hold up well against weather and road wear. Large windows wrap around the living space, letting in plenty of natural light. They're not just for looks, they make trips more enjoyable. Getting in and out of the Liberty 52 SPI is easy. The main door is at a comfortable height, and built-in steps with sturdy handles keep entry safe, even on slippery or uneven ground. Storage is smartly built into the Liberty 52 SPI. Side compartments give quick access to tools and travel essentials, while a rear hatch holds bigger items like chairs, tables, or camping gear. Underfloor compartments make use of every bit of space without crowding the living area. Even the cab-over sleeping section has storage for bedding, backpacks, or seasonal clothing, showing how every part of the camper is designed to serve more than one purpose. On the roof, a 250-watt solar panel keeps the Liberty 52 SPI powered. It charges the camper's lithium-ion batteries, keeping lights, appliances, and electronics running. With solar power, you don't have to rely on hookups at RV parks. You can enjoy longer trips in far-off places. The Liberty 52 SPI's fresh water and waste tanks are built under the camper to stay safe and protected. Their placement keeps the center of gravity low, making the vehicle more stable and easier to handle on the road. The exterior of the Liberty 52 SPI isn't just about looks. Every part, from storage compartments to roof and underbody systems, has a purpose. It's built for real trips, long drives, and spontaneous stops, with practical features that make every moment on the road easier. Step inside the Toyota Liberty 52 SPI, and the interior design becomes clear right away. One of the first things you notice is how bright the cabin feels. Large windows and well-placed lighting bring in plenty of natural light, making the interior feel open and welcoming instead of cramped. The interior walls are made from FRP panels or fiber-reinforced plastic, a material known for its strength and insulation. These panels help keep the camper cooler in summer and warmer on cold nights. They also resist moisture, which is especially useful in a small space. Headroom in the main living area is high enough for adults to move around comfortably. Combined with soft lighting, the space feels relaxed and welcoming, more like a small studio apartment than the inside of a vehicle. The seating and dining area is built around a compact but flexible dinette at the center of the living space. It's a comfortable spot to eat, work, or just relax, with supportive cushions that make it easy to sit for longer periods, whether you're having dinner or enjoying a morning coffee while planning the day. The table can also be adjusted or lowered, turning the dinette into an extra sleeping space at night, a smart feature that helps make the most of the camper's limited space. The kitchen sits right next to the dining area, keeping everything within easy reach. Despite its compact size, it has all the essentials for real meals on the road. A 2-burner gas stove runs on simple cassette canisters, making refueling easy, while a practical sink with good depth and ventilation makes washing dishes hassle-free. Clever storage compartments hold cookware, utensils, and pantry items, and the curved cabinet edges help prevent bumps in tight spaces. A deep refrigerator and microwave complete the setup, letting you store fresh food and heat meals quickly. Perfect for longer trips without constant grocery stops. At the rear of the camper, the bathroom makes smart use of space with a wet bath layout, where the toilet, shower, and sink all share a waterproof area. The walls and floor handle moisture easily, and a fan plus an opening window keep the space dry and comfortable. A handy exterior door lets you enter the bathroom directly, keeping dirt out of the living area and making life on the road much more convenient. Sleeping is where the Liberty 52 SPI really stands out. Even though the camper is compact, it can sleep up to 5 people. The main bed sits above the cab in the classic cab-over design, and thanks to the raised roof and large side windows, it feels surprisingly spacious. At night, it becomes a cozy, private retreat without taking up space in the main living area. The dinette easily converts into a bed, giving space for 2 more people to sleep comfortably. The change only takes a few moments, and smart cushion arrangements add extra flexibility, making it easy for families or small groups to plan overnight stays. Storage is everywhere in the Liberty 52 SPI. Overhead cabinets hold clothes, bedding, and personal items, built to stay secure while driving. Additional compartments under seats and floor panels store tools or spare gear, helping keep the camper balanced. Even the cab-over bed has pockets and compartments, so travelers can keep books, electronics, or personal items close without cluttering the main living space. The interior uses LED lights that give warm, cozy illumination without using much power. Paired with a roof solar panel and camper batteries, the setup lets you run everything comfortably even when you're off the grid. The interior of the Liberty 52 SPI focuses on practical, comfortable design rather than flashy luxury. Neutral tones, clean lines, and durable surfaces create a space that feels easy to live in. Everything flows naturally. The kitchen connects to the dining area. The bathroom stays accessible, and sleeping spaces appear when needed. Living here quickly becomes effortless, with meal prep, relaxation, and sleep all fitting together smoothly. It's a space that simply works. The Toyota Liberty 52 SPI costs about $100,000, or roughly 16 million yen. It's not officially sold in the US, and importing one can add extra shipping, taxes, and fees to meet local rules. The Toyota Liberty 52 SPI proves that luxury isn't about size, it's about smart design. Compact, maneuverable, and fully equipped, it lets you explore cities, narrow roads, and remote spots while still enjoying a comfortable, functional interior. Every detail, from storage to the kitchen and sleeping areas, is purposeful, showing how much can be done with less. For travelers who value freedom, flexibility, and quiet comfort, the Liberty 52 SPI is a perfect example of clever, efficient motorhome design.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and information about RVs, motorhomes, and life on the road.